to.
Sir, first of all, I don't know who you are.
So you've got to answer one question.
Sir, first of all, show your ID.
Not until you ask another question, sir. Are you filming with that camera at the moment?
Absolutely, everything was filmed.
Okay, I can't. This is illegal to film in the precincts of a court under
Sir,
the Court Act.
I was already arrested for this issue, and they know that before I pass the entry, I have full right to record because, yes, inside
in the precincts of the court.
No, this is
the precincts of the court.
No,
The court ends.
I have this experience in a Stratford court. No, it's not criminal offense.
Okay.
You came here to support me. Could I have a claim reference number?
But you must not film inside the court, sir. Okay? You've got to listen to me on that. And then
I
we'll
will
try and
switch it
assist
off
you.
now, the camera, and you give me 2 minutes for
And
the monologue.
You'll need to erase any footage you've taken in the precinct. You can film outside, by all means, free to do that. Then we'll help you, sir. This is from
Sir, would you give me 2 minutes to say what happens? I leave you the paperwork and I'm going.
Yeah, you can speak to us. Is this all him? All right. Just make that clear. Right. All right.
Case was sent by the recorded delivery.
You sure?
It was received by your person named Conse, C-O-N-S-E. There is a time when it's received and copy of the signature.
Sure. Was it this court here?
Yes. It also included 2 additional claims forms in the letter which was sent to this court.
Sure.
After this, I made a phone call and I get an evidence without saying me what date, but it was said, yes, your case received by court. Okay. It was sent to the duty judge and it's waiting for the further directions.
Waiting for directions?
Yes. On the 13th of April, I received a letter from a Stratford housing center.
Stratford, yeah.
Fee office. I don't know why you're in a separate building, but it's not my business. Asking me to provide further evidence, which I immediately, on the next day, provided letter from the job center and my bank statements in a PDF.
Sure.
As it was requested in the letter with the email address. The phone number doesn't work, it's a fake number, it doesn't exist.
That's Stratford Housing.
It doesn't exist, just I'm not blaming you, but I'm stating the fact. After I sent all this evidence, I made further phone call on the 2nd of May to customer service in Leicester, who update me that we could not find your case in the system at all. I told, could you trace by Royal Mail tracking reference? No, we couldn't. Our system doesn't allow me. But lady promised me to escalate it and to send it to her superiors and to both courts. She also advised me for the fact verifications that I will do it by myself. I again sent an email to fee office and to your court with the case reference number, with the fee reference number, with the recorded mail delivery, asking for the actions because the evidence was provided and customer services declaring that the case was missed. After I did it, on the next day, I am receiving a letter. This is last letter, which saying that because we didn't receive your evidence by 27th of April, despite that they was sent on the 14th of April and was resent on the 3rd of May, again with escalation, we have not received any information. We are not possible proceed your application. You have to pay the full fee. This may have an impact on the original case and claim related to the application. If you still want help with fee, you need to have to complete a new application. Actually, this letter says that the claim form, which, and the most interesting thing is that this letter from Stratford Center was sent to me, I received it today, with the paperwork from this court, which was sent only to this court by the Royal Mail, to someone cooperated between courts. They founded the case. They took the full case. They took a stamped copy, only one, instead of 3, how it should be by the rules and the procedure, and they sent me this from Stratford. And in Stratford, there is actual no fee office. I went to Stratford Court. They told we don't have a fee office. You could not talk with no one. This letter is inadmissible, fake, false information, which absolutely closed everything what I did in the last 2 months. And this case now involved hate crime disputes with the police, huge public fund waste, complaint to the electrical companies, and etc. I'm asking you to assist me to resolve this issue.
Right, you've made an application. It's basically,
and the final, the final, if you even couldn't contact no one, it's too late, there is still no claim reference number. And the fee office, in this period of cooperation between us on the 20th of April, when they just prepared the dirty action to miss the case, she asked me, please, could you provide the claim number? How I could provide the claim number if only today I knew that it was stamped on the 6th of April and it has no claim number and it have no any directions.
Right.
I finished, thank you.
Okay.
I will give it on a chronological order.
Right, this gentleman's one of the managers from the office. He's come to try to assist you with this. All right. So trying to look into this. This for you.
The reason it goes to Stratford is Stratford deal with evictions. Then they send the cases to us to hear. We're not actually the court that sets the actual hearing dates or anything. We just have the hearing here. Stratford is the actual court that deals with it. So that will be why the paperwork has been sent to them from us to them.
Okay. Would you agree that the claim was received by the Royal Mail Delivery? Would you agree that it was stamped? Would you agree that it has no claim reference number? Would you agree that instead of the 3 provided claim 1 form, just 1 was sent? It's the same unstamped copy.
So Stratford have received it. So what did Stratford say to you?
No, they just lied that I didn't provide evidence for the fee as they requested by the 27th of April. I provided on the 14th of April. And after I again reminded that it was provided, and instead I escalated with the customer service, and instead of the fair answer that yes, we missed your evidence and the things which go wrong is wrong, on the next day they issued me the letter. The case, actually, in 2 words, case is closed, and make everything from the scratch. It's inadmissible.
I can understand your frustrations, but I'm not quite sure why you're here when Stratford are dealing with it.
Because my case was submitted here, and my case was sent, and the reference on the paperwork, it's a Crickenwell Shoreditch County Court, and I am dealing my case here. This is the building where I could speak with someone, because the phone numbers on your official letters, I'm talking to you with the system. Please don't take it offensive. I'm foreign, and my mimic probably is not correct. Nothing against you, sir. But this is inadmissible to act in this way. This is the fake number. It doesn't exist at all. I could not contact no one.
Get some numbers for you, but as I said, we here.
Sir, I don't need numbers. I need assistance.
Then
and
Stratford,
you see,
Stratford will be the place to go because they are the place that sent your hearings to us.
No, but you sending to them, I have sent to you. You sent to them, and they asking me the information from you. They're asking me the claim reference number. When they're asking fee office, they're saying, could you call the county, the Shoreditch Court, and ask a claim reference number? I even have no this claim reference number. Someone just deliberately eliminating this case because they know that the landlord was loose and the landlord was acting in the interest of the British intelligence. And someone put unofficial dirty hands in this case to make an official privilege.
So have you got a record of the payment being taken for your case?